Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. You know what is kept on my screen today? It is sandpaper and oil pastels. You might be thinking why these sandpaper and oil pastels being kept on the screen. Today we are going to learn sandpaper art. You might be thinking how can we use the sandpaper for the artwork? It's very easy. So let's have a look how can we convert the simple sandpaper to a art piece. But first we should know what all materials are required for this beautiful artwork. The material is required is already there on the screen, like one piece of sandpaper, and we required only a peck box of oil pastel. Yes, sandpaper comes in variety of colors and it can be easily available in hardware shops. So first, have a look on the sample which I have already prepared for you. So this is landscape and this is a bunch of flowers which all have been made with oil pastels on sandpaper, and it is very easy technique. So today we are going to start with landscape. So today we are going to tell you how to make a landscape.
I have planned to create a sunset scene. So for that you need, the sunset colors, or you can create sunrise or sunset, any of your choice. We require these colors. As I'm going to create something in silhouette, this is a different technique to learn, as you have learned earlier also the different techniques of painting. So this is also a painting technique which is very easy and very convenient to do. So let's start. So first we need this blue color to create a line. Means we are going to divide the sheet into two parts. One will be a foreground and one will be a background. So we are going to draw a line in a middle ground here. You might be thinking why I am drawing directly with the color. See, you can draw with the pencil also, but with the pencil, if you can draw, it can't be erased. So I am directly drawing with the color. If you are comfortable with pencil, so that pencil also you can use. So here I am drawing a sun. Creating a landscape. Use yellow for the sun. It's very easy technique. You can use paints also for this. Very carefully you need to do this, as you are going to put some gradation also. A little bit of orange. To use the colors, like you can take cool colors also, like blues, purple, like that. I am using orange, and I am going to add little red and yellow also. adding a yellow, we need to use blue to create the effect of a water. Not only light blue, we need to give it different shades of blue to show the water. We'll be adding dark blue. For giving the variation in the shades, I'm using the different shades of blue. Slowly you need to mix the color. So you can see the texture. You know why and how come this texture is showing while coloring? Because of the rough surface of this paper. You know what this sandpaper used for what? For rubbing the stones or wood to give them a finish. Now you can say that we can't use the sandpaper only for giving the finishing to the wooden furniture or stones or a clay. We can use this to create something very beautiful. Slowly you need to mix the color. Now I'm going to use a little white to highlight the water waves. Now after giving the highlights with white, so we're going to complete our trees. So this tree I'm going to make it with the black color as I wanted to show the silhouette effect. Create some leaves. can leave it for a little highlighting. You can show some highlights in the tree by leaving space. Add a little bit of white to highlight. A little bit of depth you can add here more. As we are giving the final touches to our painting. It's very easy to do. See how smoothly the color is moving on the sandpaper. Bit of highlighting, bit of gradation or shadow you can put here. Now we need to show the reflection of the sun in the water. So we're using this yellow color. Showing the reflection. Bit of orange we can add. Is complete. You can see how beautifully it has been done, and it's very easy. So you can create many more like this. Hope you like the class. So next time I'll be coming with some more creative artwork for you. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. Bye bye.